evaluate the integral of sine to the fourth x cosine to the fourth x times the quantity cosine plus sine x times cosine x minus sine x dx. We can multiply this first. So we have integral of sine to the fourth x cosine to the fourth x times. So this will be special product for the difference of two squares, right? Or you can FOIL, but it will just be equal to the square of the first term, cosine x. So we'll have cosine squared x, then minus the square of the second term, sine x. So we have sine squared x dx. And then I will try to apply the power of a product law here. I can rewrite sine to the fourth x cosine to the fourth x as sine x times cosine x quantity raised to the fourth power, right? Times cosine squared x minus sine squared x dx. And then if we try to apply use substitution, I will let u be equal to sine x times cosine x, getting the derivative of u du. The derivative of sine x cosine x, so we have product of two functions, sine x cosine x. So we should apply product rule. Derivative of uv is equal to u dv plus v du. So if u is equal to sine x and v is equal to cosine x, applying product rule, copy the u, which is sine x, times the derivative of v, which is negative sine x, then plus v, copy cosine x, then the derivative of u, the derivative of sine x is cosine x, quantity times dx. So we'll have du is equal to sine x times negative sine x, negative sine squared x, plus cos x times cos x, cosine squared x. Or rewriting as cosine squared x minus sine squared x dx. Therefore, we have created that term here, cosine squared x sine squared x dx, which is equivalent to du. If we substitute, we'll have integral of sine x cosine x equal to u raised to the fourth power, and then this cosine squared x minus sine squared x dx is equal to du. So to evaluate this integral, we just apply power rule. Integral of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So the integral of u to the 4th du applying power rule is u to the 4 plus 1 over the same exponent 4 plus 1 plus c. Or we have u to the 5th power over 5 plus c. And then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is sine x times cosine x. So the final answer is 1/5 u, which is sine x times cosine x, quantity raised to the 5th power plus c. Or you can distribute the exponent 5. We'll have 1/5 sine to the 5th x cosine to the 5th x plus c. So this is the final answer.